Okay, well, students, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you this morning?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
How about
Very
you,
good.
ma'am?
How about you,
Thank you.
ma'am?
Okay, I'm very well, thank you. Okay, nice to see you again after a week. Yeah, we didn't see. Okay, well, students, I need one student to become my assistant of the day today. Who wants to become my assistant?
You, ma'am.
Oh, Nadine. Okay, that's good. Okay, Nadine, please lead pray before we start our lesson today.
Okay, let's start our lesson today with Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, thank you, Nadine, for lead us pray. Nadine, would you share a song? Your favorite song, up to you. Let's we do some stretching.
Let's go, ma'am. Let's go.
I just pulled off with a tape, we had the speakers bumping. Whoa man, don't you step too close, man.
Last but not least, my man Sophie. Let's
Baby
go.
got the munchies, want some caviar and steak. Number 3, we extra cheese, but we don't do no dates. I need to be endorsed by Michael Jordan. Nigga sneak this and really ain't important. Boy, you got to...
Okay, well, students, after we have done workout, okay, let's first remind about what you learned in the last meeting, yeah? By the way, did you still remember what have we learned in our last meeting?
Speaking.
In the last meeting, half of you make the presentation, yeah? A short speech, yeah? What have you learned from your friend's presentation in the last meeting?
From Safra's presentation about gadget in life, we learned about that gadget can give dangerous impact to ourselves if we
Yes.
can use them well. Like iPad, insomnia, and influence others.
Yes, okay. Gadgets can be positive and negatives, but we have to be aware or consider about the negative impacts like insomnia, gitu-gitu ya. So that's why we have to use it wisely, gitu ya, Alisa ya. Okay, well, students, I would like to share screen. Yes, what have we learned in our last meeting is that, okay, the first one is you made the outline and you make the presentations based on the outline, yeah. And then next, students, it is what you are going to do today. You will analyze the text. The title is self-love. And then the second activity is that there will be presentation of you. So you will present your writing, your outline, and your text. And then the third one is that when you make the presentation of your writing, your friends will give feedback, yeah. And then the fourth activity is that the students who make the presentation will do revising, and then upload in the e-learning and the social media the result of your writing. Do you agree that a good writing is a kind of writing that is published? Why?
It'll bring more benefits.
Yeah. Kalau tulisan itu kita keep sendiri, maybe the benefit is just only for us gitu ya. But if you share your writing to other people can give you feedback, can give you comment gitu ya, dapat ngasih kalian saran, masukan, dan itu sebenarnya yang belajar bukan hanya kalian gitu ya, tapi juga orang lain yang membaca itu gitu ya. Next, okay, before you start to present your text, okay, let's read the example of analytical exposition below and identify the two things, the generic structure and the vocabulary enrichment there ya. Okay. Next, students, can you find the structure of the text? Okay, what is the topic of the text?
It's self-love.
Self-love. Very good, you are right. Next, what is the writer's position about the topic? What is your
Self-love is
opinion?
important.
Okay. Okay, I give highlights to some words ya in the text. Okay, please match gitu ya with the right synonym. Kita bisa mencintai orang lain. Nah, kita pun harus belajar untuk mencintai diri kita sendiri. Caranya gimana? Dengan belajar untuk appreciate the single things or the small things that we can do. Don't forget that all of you are amazing. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, in the last meeting, you learn about how to make outline, ya. Okay, you decide your topic, you decide the thesis, you support your thesis with arguments, and then you give reinforcement of your opinion by giving reiteration. So next, let's present your analytical exposition text. Are you ready? Okay, who wants to make the presentation today?
Me, ma'am.
Oh, Raksa. Okay, please, you can share screen. I will mute my audio, ya.
The positive effects of video games. Many people tend to believe that video games are a waste of time, but actually, video games have some positive effect on us.
Okay, stop. Paragraph 1. Is there any correction?
Kurang titik.
Kurang titik. Okay, good. Okay, good.
Okay, video games can improve real-world skills.
Keren, Raksa. Kalian masih ingat in our first meeting I asked you about the difference between fact and opinion. Ini Raksa, kerennya Raksa tahu nggak di mana?
Uses facts.
That's it. Jadi kerennya Raksa ada di the way he delivered the opinion supported by fact. Oke, cuman sayangnya Raksa nggak menyebutkan studinya apa, yang bikin study ini siapa, yang bikin research ini. Nah, gitu itu nanti dicantumkan Raksa, siapa yang bilang dan penelitian itu tahun berapa. Okay, well, students, what have you learned in our meeting today?
We learned that video games can be good.
Okay. Well, students, what do you like most in our learning today?
The part where Shauki,
Use the dumbbell,
Use the dumbbell.
Show his muscle.
Yeah.
Show his muscle.
Show his
okay,
buff
that's
muscles and his six packs.
Flexing, yo.
The way we deliver our opinion itu nggak harus selamanya melalui kayak speech gitu ya. Kalau kemarin kan lewat speech ya kita ya. sebenarnya kita juga bisa melakukan itu through writing, through text gitu ya. Sama seperti yang R.A. Kartini lakukan, is it? Masih ingat ya? R.A. Kartini itu berjuang lewat tulisannya gitu. She can persuade people, women in Indonesia gitu ya, tentang kesetaraan, tentang emansipasi gitu ya. Berjuang melalui tulisan gitu. Well, students, what can in analytical exposition text gitu ya, what do you think that you can improve gitu ya for the next meeting related about this materials? Right, maybe in the next meeting, the other students can make the presentation about your writing, ya, sama seperti yang Raksa lakukan hari ini. Okay, well, students, I think that's all for today. By the way, it is my last PPL class, ya, actually. It is the last PPL class, so I would like to ask you, what is your opinion about my class?
Kelasnya seru. Terus teman-temannya juga, MMA-nya juga cheerful.
Oh. Okay, thank you, Cha.
It was fun. Everything is
fun.
perfect.
Everything is fun ya, keren ya.
Different from usual, interesting class.
Seru. Dan menarik ya, soalnya interaksi antara guru dan muridnya banyak gitu. Jadi ya saya harap bisa dilanjutkan ke depannya dan guru-guru yang lain bisa meniru.
Gitu ya. Okay,
so to be honest, this class has been the highlight of my day for a few months or a few weeks, I guess. And I want to thank you, Ma'am Emma, and I want to thank all of you guys. I love you guys so much that I've been waiting for this this moment. Thank you, all of you guys. I love you. Oh my God,
it's so touching me. I would like to say thank you to all of you for your support, for your enthusiasm, for your cooperation, for your love. Yeah, I remember the days when we had rehearsal, when we had this class. Kalian mengorbankan banyak hal gitu ya dengan senang hati gitu ya with me. Oh my God, I love you so much and I'm very grateful that I have you in my PPL class. Thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. I think that's all for today. Let's say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin for Allah blessing ya. Alhamdulillah kita sudah bisa menyelesaikan PPL 1, 2, 3. Okay. Doakan Ma'am Emma lulus ya nak ya. UP.
For sure, ma'am.
Amin.
Lulus pasti, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Okay, good. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That was
Keren banget Raksa. Thank you so much.